They got problem 1229 meeting scheduler, and I did not turn off my notification. So we got time slots of 2 people and meeting duration, and we need to return the earliest time slot that works for both of them and is of the duration. Are they sorted? Not necessarily. But what I'm thinking is that okay, we pick this meeting and then we need to find meeting here which overlaps and another one, right? And then okay, once we do that, we get to a meeting that doesn't overlap, we move here. And again, because the previous ones couldn't overlap with this if this one doesn't. Right, so we do these 2 pointers. So we first sort slots 1 sort, slots 2 sort, I j0 0, and then return empty while I len slots 1 while j is less than slot len slots 2. Then we want to do if and slots 2j, and now the first element is less than or equal to slots 1i1, I think. And we want to do if slots 2j 0 larger than or equal to slots I slots 1i0 and slots 1 minus slots 2j0 is larger than or equal to duration. Or is it really though? Because I mean, if we take this and this and duration, that's inclusive, so technically you want to do this, right? Then return slots I2, not slots 2j0, slots yeah, we need to do this. So minimum of this end time and then this end time and then slots 2j1. Now I need to copy this value, right, and put it here, and then I just do this plus duration. Should work. Okay, wrong answer, that's interesting. Okay, so it's supposed to be not +1. Okay, I mean they didn't really specify that, but I guess that's okay. Should pass. Now what the hell? theoretically I could do this for both of them. Fn S1 S2 S1, let's see, where are we? Here, boom boom boom, slots 2 for slots 2, boom 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 boom. Great. We move this, and now if Fn slots 1 so we return this, and otherwise we return Fn slots. This could work, still doesn't work. Great. So I do this output and okay, so if res, then we want to do res2 is this. If res2 res min res2 or I do this, right, and then I do res if not res2 else res2 if not else min res2, like that could work. Okay, please pass. Great, very slow, but who cares? 2 pointers on plus m. Just sort the meetings and for each meeting in slots 1 we have to find overlapping meetings in slots 2. Notice that indices that once we get to slots from slots 2 that do not overlap with current slot from slots 1, all the already processed slots 2 slots from slots 2 will not overlap with the next slot from slots 1. Do not have to start from the start of slots 2. We can just continue. Maintain 2 pointers. Note that we have to run this twice, one for both combinations of slots 1 slots 1, slots 2, and slots 2, slots 1. Okay. I don't know about this, not sure I care, to be honest. N plus. Then we pick this smaller answer. Where N and M slots 2, since we simply move each of their pointers throughout their arrays twice and do O1 work for each position. O1 since we sort it's not, yeah, and n log n plus m log m log n log m since we sort both the arrays and then we simply blah blah one since we sort if we sort in place, and because we then only use a couple of extra variables. Okay. Bye, I am very late. I wanted to go to bed in 2 minutes, which I don't have time for. Bye.